Hi everyone, Bowen from Enhanced Asset Management here, just back today to provide some information on a new position we've taken within your portfolio. So the company we've recently added into the model is Webjet. So Webjet is an online travel business and they're involved in the sale of flights and hotel rooms. I'm sure a lot of you have used the Webjet platform before when booking flights, but the main contributor to group earnings is actually their WebBeds platform, and they generate around 75% of the group's EBITDA through WebBeds. So up on screen here, I've just got the some key metrics from the FY24 results, which were released in May, and these were really strong. We saw total transaction value up almost 30%, and EBITDA was up over 40% for the year, which we've seen a really good recovery post COVID, and Webjet is performing really well. So despite the really strong financials, the main thesis for this position is actually the demerger of WebBeds and Webjet. So in the FY24 results in May, Webjet announced that they were exploring a possible separation of the WebBeds and the Webjet platforms, and this would be done via a demerger throughout FY25. Now, this is a extremely appealing proposition for us, and we believe that the demerger will allow the higher growth WebBeds platform to trade on a much higher multiple than what it is currently in the group. So just up on screen, we've got some snippets from WebBeds, and you can see that they are targeting $10 billion of total transaction value. They're currently at around $4 billion, targeting $5 billion for FY25. And this will all be achieved on a EBITDA margin of around 50%. It's a really strong business, and we believe it deserves to be valued on a much higher multiple than what it is currently. So on that multiple, we've done some analysis on some competitors, particularly in the US. So Airbnb and Booking.com are very similar businesses to WebBeds. And so for FY25, these businesses are currently valued on an 18 times EV over EBITDA multiple, and Booking.com valued on a 16 times. So if we use our forecast for WebBeds and value that on a 17 times, so, somewhere in between of Airbnb and Booking.com, we can see that the group is actually worth a potential $10.40 per share. So Webjet, the company at the moment, is currently trading at around $8.80. So this is where we see some significant upside. And off the back of the strong results and the demerger announcement, we've seen some pretty strong share price movement. And we took our initial price at around $8.60. So we're in the green early, and we're expecting some good returns throughout FY25 as the demerger becomes more probable and more information is provided to the market. As always, general information only. If you require any further financial advice, please speak with your licensed advisor. I will be in touch shortly with some further updates. Thanks, guys.